Here's your last chance
You
to
can
jump
still
out.
jump out
Jump right
without
up.
Go, we gotta get up. Oh, there we go.
We wanna go up, we wanna go up. Oh, it's not the water. No, it's very peaceful. Most beautiful thing. I would do it every day.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Isn't it beautiful?
I wonder if my dogs are barking. I just live right over there in that, with a green truck in front, straight across from the parking lot.
Oh yeah.
My dogs are probably out barking at me. Grand Prairie Radio, Balloon Foxtrot, Sierra Whiskey Delta.